Yo, what's up, y'all? Wavy Trades. I just want to make a quick video going over the the ICT Judas swing, specifically when it comes to the London session, working on the dollar index. I found a correlation between the two. It works pretty damn good, like every time. I was back testing London's Judas swing on other pairs, other currencies, indexes, whatever you have it. And in my back testing, I found that the dollar index, she likes to play by the rules. Like, she's a very submissive girl. So let me put y'all onto my friend here. All right, so what we got here in blue is the high and the low, low and the high. I said it backwards twice. Oh well. Marked out here in blue. Now this is from, where is it at? 8, 2. 2 o'clock, London starts. At 2 o'clock, we're looking for the high or the low to get swept. And then once we get that, we're looking for a market structure shift to the opposite direction. Now, let's go ahead and dive in. Only reason I have this showing right now is because I want to show y'all that I did execute on this trade. I did physically take this trade. I'm just not showing you in hindsight. I took the shit. Now let's go to bar replay. Go to bar replay, and then let's delete all this. All right, so like I said, London, if you are familiar with ICT Judas swing, you know we're looking for one side of liquidity to be popped and then immediately reversed back into. Now this is on the 1 minute chart. I know that might be kind of intimidating for some of y'all. It might be a little OD, but it's worth it, bro. Trust me. So we got our break of Asia high. Now we're waiting for a market shift structure. So let's play. Boom. One thing we gotta do is we gotta mark off our swing highs and our swing lows. And I go by the close. So we got swing high, swing low. So let's play. We're back in. Now what do we have here? We had our market structure shift. We have a market structure shift right here. If I were to take this to a line chart, you'd see it too. You see that? This might not look like it broke, because if you go by this low, like, people will be lost, bro. Market structure shift is when we go from higher highs. So boom, boom, we're going, and then we go the opposite way. Now we're coming back down. This right here is our market structure shift when we go from higher high, lower high, higher high to lower low. This is the market structure shift right here. Higher highs to higher lows to lower highs to lower lows. Once we get that, we're golden, baby. We're cooking with hot grease. And like ICT teaches, we want to see displacement when we break these levels. What did we get? We got displacement. We got displacement. You put your entry right here on the halfway mark. Me personally, when I took this trade originally, I put one right at the beginning of the fair value gap, just because I wanted to get in. I wasn't sure if we were going to get back to that midline. I was basically forcing a trade. Like, I'm forced entry, but the confidence was there. So let's rock it. So boom, we get the confirmation we have broke lower. We got a new low. We got another lower low. We came back up, a little higher high. And this is where I got my last entry coming up around like 4 something. Yeah, right here. This is where I got my last entry. On the midline, because I was like, man, I really want to get in on the midline. Like, let's make that happen. And that's what literally happened. I got in on the midline. I don't know why that went away. Boom. Put the stops on the 3 candles that cause displacement. 1, 2, 3. Put it on the high of the stop. And like I said, we're running towards the opposite session liquidity right here. So you saw that almost 10-to-1 risk to reward. And then we just rock. Also, I do want to go over real quick. Say you missed this entry and then all you see is consolidation. Watch this shit. Watch this. This is how the market works, bro. We got lows right here. I'm sorry, that was too far. We got lows right here. Give me that. Lows right here. Highs are basically already annotated by that fair value gap, but it's the same concept. What does the market do? It needs orders to move. So if you box everyone up here, people got buys here, people got sells here. Well, guess what? We're going to tap your buys and run you to hell. Not only do I know that just based on market structure and activity, look at the market structure once we broke liquidity of the session. Like, it all ties in hand to hand. Once you understand where it's going, it's not going to get stopped. So say you missed this entry, or you got stopped out somewhere here. That's cool. Wait for another market structure shift with displacement. Look, lows, highs. We broke that low, and what did we leave? Displacement. Right here, bud. You had a second opportunity to take this trade right there and then run it to hell. Bang. That's it. And we don't care what happens after that. We don't care how much lower it goes. Now you can look left and make some guesses on what it's gonna do. Me personally, my personal stop on this one was right here. But we just let it run, bro. And that's it. That's it. We don't gotta sit here and argue. We don't gotta babysit it. Like, I wanna let y'all really see this. That's it. Break of Asian high. Higher low, or higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high. Tapped into this first fair value gap caused by displacement. Then we enter a chop. This right here was just to kill everyone. This is a retail killer. This is for all the London traders that just woke up, wanted to get in, wanted to make a move, fucked you up mentally. Then we came back up, same thing, liquidity grab. We took out the most recent equal highs here, tapped into this fair value gap again, displaced. And I won't go over every detail, but I'll give y'all a quick scroll. Like, look at this one. We popped to the top. So sorry, let me zoom in. We popped to the top. On the 1 minute chart, there's a failed value gap, but even on the 5 minute chart, you could have took the trade right here, got in, and still continued the rest there. Let's go to the day before that. I took a L on this day, not gonna lie, because I was waiting for a displacement, so I got it right here, and I had my stop loss set right here. And what did price do? took my stop and dipped, went right back to the opposite side of liquidity. Same thing over here. We got higher high, lower low. So like, all right, bet uh, we got a market structure shift. Nah, not quite yet. Not quite yet. It took off. I mean, me personally, I got stopped out on this one. I got stopped out on this one. And this one was a banger. I did not get stopped out on this one. This one I actually targeted more than just this. I targeted this liquidity. Cause like I saw this, we came down and we were like, on the 1 minute chart, it looks so much better, but we had a market structure shift and I rocked with it. And then during New York, we came back down to this fair value gap that was left. Man, when I say that was the easiest move of the day, but I digress, bro. This is just me going over the London ICT Judas swing on the dollar index. Everyone look into it, back test it, give me more feedback. We can make this pair the best pair.